Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Hey guys, before I start the tutorial, I might need to let you guys know that you're gonna hear a lot of this sound here because the wind is very strong. So just bear with me, alright? Now let's start the tutorial. Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my tutorial. Today I'll teach you guys how to do drop in the middle of a footwork or at the end of the footwork. This consists of 3 moves, very basic and simple move. But before I start, like always, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming out from this channel, you will be notified. Great, so without any further ado, let's start the tutorial. Okay, so the very first move is CC, okay? If you haven't watched or learned CC, click the link up here, it will take you to the CC tutorial. So we're gonna start with CC. CC. Okay, very simple CC. Just make sure that the CC that I did here is both hand CC, alright? It's not the normal CC like this. No, it's the both hands. So both of your hands and your body is swinging to the other side while your leg is kicking. Okay, like this. Now that's the first move. The second move is you're gonna do an elbow drop. Okay, again, if you have an elbow drop, click the link up here, it will take you to the tutorial. So after CC, we're gonna do the L4 drop. CC, L4. Alright. Now the last step after the L4 drop is you're gonna do the scissors drop, but the end of the scissors drop like this. You're gonna grab your left foot with your left hand and pull to the left side. So if we combine all 3 steps together, it will look something like this. After the drop and you didn't continue, that means you applied at the end of the footwork just like what I did. But if you were to continue, that means you're going to add in more items, more moves, which means that you are doing the footwork at the middle of the footwork. Alright? Now I'm going to show you guys 2 types. The first one is you're going to stop at the end. The second one is I'm going to continue after the drop. The second one. So that's it for the drop in the middle and at the end of the footwork. Looks easy, but trust me, it can really spice up your footwork. It can add a lot of flavor into your footwork. Alright, that's about it. Subscribe, let this video give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go.